Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are back at CVS for another start of a new 2-week ad. I'm like 99% sure this new ad that we just got this week starting today on Sunday is a 2-week ad because last week was a 1-week ad for Halloween. So I hope you guys had a good Halloween weekend. I'm in Minnesota right now visiting family, so I'm at a different store. This store tends to have like less stock, a lot of things out of stock, and is just a little bit of a smaller store, so it doesn't have as many products as my home store in Texas does. But we're gonna do as much as we can today. There, in general, are not very many good deals this week, in my opinion. So I feel like there's a little bit less to work with in general in this 2-week ad, but I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm mostly gonna be shopping for picking up things that my parents and my family need. And I'm not gonna be doing a like rolling extra bucks scenario like I normally do because this week is so slow. But we're gonna see what we can do anyways. We do have a couple really good deals going on though. I feel like if there's ever a slow week, there's always a couple of really good deals sprinkled in, so I'm definitely excited about those. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. The Safeguard hand soaps are buy two, get back a $6 extra bucks. You can grab 2 of them at $4.79, totaling $9.58, and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.58 and then earn back your $6 extra buck, and then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 of these, making your final cost just $1.58 for both, which is a great deal. And if you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer. My store is sold out, but the Thayer's acne patches are $8.99 and buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. And we have a $2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $6.99, get back the $5 extra buck, making these just $1.99. We did get a $5 off any L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT this week. The cheapest item you can use that on is the L'Oreal Toner at $8.69. So using that, you pay just $3.69 for this. Another way that you can do the L'Oreal deal is doing the extra buck promotion. For when you spend $45, you get back a $15 extra buck. So my store has the Age Perfect serum priced at $45.79. That'd be perfect. You can use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT. The $5 instant CRT will also stack. And we have a $6 manufacturer digital coupon that you can also stack with those 2 CVS CRTs. So with the $16 off in digital coupons, you'd be left to pay $29.79, getting back that $15 extra buck. And that would make this over $45 serum just $14.79. I did want to mention the Neutrogena facial care deal because it's spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck this week. So if you grab an item priced around $30, you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT and you'd pay around $25. You get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit for an Activate Rewards rebate that we just got on activaterewards.com/holiday. It's up to a limit of 5 of when you spend $30, you get back a $10 Visa Rewards virtual gift card. So with the $5 CRT, the $10 in extra bucks back, and the $10 back on Activate Rewards, it would make a $30 item just about $5. I also wanted to mention the CeraVe deal. It's spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck, which is already 50% off in savings. No coupons and no Ibotta rebates right now, but that is 50% off, and I know a lot of people are brand loyal to CeraVe. Aveeno lotion is spend $12, get back a $3 extra buck. My store has a lot of items priced around like $11. I know some stores have them priced at $11.99, so if your store follows the 98% rule still, that could work. The next cheapest item my store has is $13.99, so you could grab that and use a $3 instant CRT we got for Aveeno lotion, and then you can also use a $3 digital manufacturer coupon, and you'd pay $7.99, get back your $3 extra buck, making one of these big bottles of lotion just $4.99. The Axe body wash is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them priced at $5.99, totaling $8.98. And we do have a $5 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $3.98, getting back the $4 extra buck, and that's going to make 2 of these completely free. Definitely a great deal. Even if your store has them priced a little bit higher, they'd still be super cheap. We also have a deal on Nivea body wash. They're buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the men's at $5.99, totaling $11.98. And if you did not already use it, you can use this $2 digital coupon, and you'd pay $9.98, getting back that $7 extra buck, and that would make 2 bottles $2.98 or $1.49 each. The soft soap and Irish Spring body wash are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So the cheapest option is grabbing 2 of the soft soap at $6.59. 2 would total $9.88, and we did just get a $3.50 off of 2 digital coupon. So using that, you'd pay $6.38, getting back that $3 extra buck, and that's going to make 2 bottles of soft soap body wash just $3.38. Another Axe deal that you can do are on the body sprays at $7.29. They're buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two of them at $7.29, totaling $14.58, and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $8.58, earn back that $4 extra buck, making two of them just $4.58. Another Nivea deal that you can do are on the shave gels. They're also buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So grab two of them at $5.99, totaling $11.98. You'd pay that, get back your $7 extra buck, making two of them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Different Crest mouthwash, Scope mouthwash, Crest toothpaste, and Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for two for $7.98, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two, totaling $7.98, and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'd pay $3.98, getting back your $3 extra buck, making two of them just 98 cents. You can also grab the toothpaste, like I mentioned, and you can also grab the toothbrushes. You could also mix and match, so just do whatever deal that you prefer. The 34-ounce smaller bottles of the Persil detergent are on sale for $6.99 each, and they're buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab two of them, totaling $13.98. You'd pay that, getting back your $6 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one, getting a total of $1 back for buying two, and that'll make your final cost for two of them just $6.98 or just $3.49 each. Okay, this is a really good rare deal on the Total Home sponges. They're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. The cheapest ones are priced at $3.49, so grabbing two of them totaling $6.98, you'd pay that, getting back that $5 extra buck, making two of them $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Maybelline products are spend $12, get back a $4 extra buck. So what you could do is grab an item around $15 and then use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, a $4 instant CRT that we got from CVS for Maybelline, and you'd be left to pay $8, and then you'd earn back a $4 extra buck, making a $15 item just about $4. The gift card extra buck deal is back for spend $100 and you get back a $20 extra buck, and you can mix and match with different gift card increments to get that $20 extra buck for spending $100. Included are Domino's, DoorDash, Candy Crush, Chipotle, Adidas, and Zipzillions. So definitely pick that up if you want to grab it for yourself or for the holidays to earn some extra bucks back. All right, you guys, so I just got out of CVS and I did 3 transactions today, not too much. I really hoped to be able to get more than I got, but unfortunately, it's just like the slowest week that we've had in months. So I wasn't able to grab too much for a decent deal. And this first transaction, I did the Oral-B and the Axe deal. I used that $5 off 2 for the Axe and the 4 off 2 for the Oral-B, the oral care products, including Scope, Oral-B, and Crest. And then I ended up paying with a $5 extra buck and about $3 out of pocket before tax. So about $8 in total between extra bucks and cash subtotal. And then I got back $7 in extra bucks. It was $3 for the Oral-B and $4 for the Axe. So this transaction was a net cost of about $1 out of pocket, which is great for getting 2 body wash and 2 toothbrushes. And next I did the Total Home sponges. So I grabbed 2 of those at $3.49, used my $7 in extra bucks from transaction 1, paid nothing but tax out of pocket. Unfortunately, in Minnesota, you are taxed on your pre-coupon total, which really sucks. I'm glad that I don't live here full time because in Texas, it's based on your post-coupon total. So I basically saved so much money couponing by not having to pay the tax on the pre-coupon total. But nothing out of pocket. And then so spent out $7 in extra bucks and then got back the $5 extra buck for buying 2 of these. So that made this transaction just a net cost of $2. All right, and finally my last transaction that I did today, I rolled that $5 extra buck into the Safeguard hand soap transaction. So those were $4.79 each. 2 of those totaled what? $9.52. And then I used my $1 off 2 digital coupon and my $5 extra buck from the Total Home sponges. So I ended up paying just $3.52 in cash out of pocket, but between the extra bucks and cash, it was $8.58. And then I got back my $6 extra buck on 2 of them, and I also submitted to Ibotta for $1 back on 2. So spent out $8.58 and got back $7, making it just $1.58 net cost for both of the Safeguard hand soap, which is a really great price on that. So definitely pick that up if your store has some in stock. So I hope this video was helpful, even though it was a little bit shorter and different store than I'm normally at. Let me know what you're picking up this week, or if you're going to be skipping this week, if you think it's a little bit of a slower week. We will have this ad, I think, for 2 weeks. So it's going to be just a little bit of a slower 2-week period post the holiday weekend, which I'm kind of okay with. Next Sunday, I will be back at my normal store. So hopefully I can put a few more deals together. Hopefully we get some different digital coupons that make for some good deals with the extra buck scenarios that we are going to be continuing to work with. And I will catch you guys then on live next Saturday and in my CVS video next Sunday.